Moving on to navigation, the Mazda6e system is very clear, intuitive and easy to use. It's easily accessible too by swiping down from the top and selecting navigation. Once here, you can click either in the search bar or utilise the Mazda voice control system. Hey Mazda,
I'm here.
navigate to Wembley Stadium.
Got it. Please select one of the following results.
Depending on how much detail you give, you may need to select an option. In this instance, we're going to choose Wembley Stadium.
OK.
Once the route has been selected, not only does it appear very clearly on that large central display, it also appears on the left-hand side of the 10.2 instrument cluster in front of you and in full view within the large head-up display, making driving and navigation almost effortless. For now, let's finish the guidance by simply pressing End on the screen. When on the navigation homepage, there are some handy icons located towards the top. Navigate to a home address, navigate to a work address, any previously stored favourites, EV charge point locations and parking areas. For now, let's click into the EV chargers. Not only does it show you the local charge points to your current location, it also shows you charging speeds at each of those and if any are available or being used.